She been kissing on me like an nymphomaniac. I should think this shit through, but I'm so under attack. And I don't know how to let her down easily. She's on higher ground. I feel her fangs inside my skin. My self-control is wearing thin. We ain't gonna sleep tonight. She got a vicious appetite. I can barely keep up, it's a wild ride. She got a vicious appetite. And I never close my eyes. And I never close my eyes. We've been staying in bed